nowadays every industry are using lot of solvents and chemicals which are very much hazardous for the environment. So what we are doing, we are using the photocatalytic approach that can able to reduce the use of solvents as well as the use of electricity or heat that can able to facilitate the organic transformation reaction. So photocatalytic is one of the greener approach rather than the conventional organic transformation reactions. I am Dr. Ranjan Patra, working as an Associate Professor at Amity Institute of Chemistry Research and Studies, Amity University Noida. Thank you ANRF for giving me the funding in the area of Core Research Grant in Chemical Science in 2024. In this project, we have working in the synthesis of the different type of porphyrin and metalloporphyrins and its supramolecular interaction using the halogen bond and chalcogen bonds. Now, why we are doing this type of research? See, porphyrin is known for the pigment of life. It is present in the haemoglobin, myoglobin, cytochrome P450, and also the nature. Whatever we observe in the chlorophyll, one of the derivative of the porphyrin is present in this chlorine molecule is present. And you can able to see in the nature, these type of molecules are actually doing the catalytic activity without any hampering the biological activities or other side effects. To mimic that, we in our lab, we have synthesized different type of porphyrin and metalloporphyrins, and we want to utilize that molecules for different catalytic purpose to understand the biological process in our body. In this area, we have done synthesis of the different type of halogen substituted porphyrins and chalcogen substituted porphyrins, and we able to see how these molecules are self-assembled with each other through halogen bond and chalcogen bond interactions. Once we can able to synthesize the molecules, we can able to utilize for the different type of characterization techniques like photonanomer spectroscopy, UV visible spectroscopy, and single crystal X-ray study. After that, we confirm that the molecules can able to use the different type of self-assembly process. We have studied their mechanism for the different type of self-assemble process. After the synthesizing these molecules, we are also use these molecules as a photocatalyst, because you see the color of the porphyrin molecules is highly color in nature, so they can able to absorb the light. So with the help of this concept, this porphyrin can be used as a photocatalyst. In our lab, we have synthesized several different type of metalloporphyrins or porphyrins by substituting at the periphery, substitution at the mesoposition, substitution at the porphyrin periphery, that leads to the different type of behavior of the porphyrins, which leads to the different type of light absorbing capacity of the porphyrin and metalloporphyrins. And we able to see by utilizing this porphyrin and metalloporphyrins, these complexes are used as a very good photocatalyst. And we have synthesized the several organic molecules using this porphyrin and metalloporphyrin as a photocatalyst. In this project, we have published several international high reputed journals like Amity Chemistry, Inorganic Chemistry, Chemistry European Journal, Dental Trans, etc. With the help of the ANRF, we are able to get the different instruments like rotary evaporator and UV visible spectrophotometers. It is actually required for our characterization of these molecules. With this help of the ANRF, we can able to create the facility in the lab. I must thank the Amity University for the infrastructure created and the support for the research and innovation. In future research, we are planning that how these porphyrin and metalloporphyrins we can able to use for the different photocatalytic purpose, because you can able to see that photocatalysis is one of the environmental beneficial for the different organic transformation reaction. For pharmaceutical industry, every day thousands of organic molecules are synthesized using the conventional methods like heating or use of lot of organic solvents, but using the photocatalytic method, we can able to utilize these complexes for the different type of organic transformation reactions.